Good morning, Abotai. We've been speaking about the past few days the Halachot of Borer with regards to peeling things on Shabbat. Now, obviously, it's mutar to peel things on Shabbat because otherwise, how are you supposed to eat? For instance, onion, garlic, eggs, things of that nature. The Rama in Siman Shin Kaf Aleph writes that it's mutar to peel these things on Shabbat, and obviously it's not Borer. It's considered derech achilato. However, he says very interesting. This has to be done within a half hour of eating. With regards to onion, garlic, eggs, things with an inedible peel, you can't, for instance, let's say you want to prepare eggs for Seudah Shlishit. You can't do it earlier than half an hour. These things which have an inedible peel, onion, garlic, eggs, things of that nature, you can only do it mamash, samuch leSeudah, very close to the meal, which is a half hour. However, this only applies to things with an inedible peel. What happens if you have an edible peel? For instance, one second, because otherwise it's borer. Borer has to be, even the permissible ways of doing borer have to be done within a half hour of the Seudah. However, if we're talking about things that have an edible peel, an apple, a cucumber, things of that nature, over there, you can do it even earlier because over there, Maran Zechon Bracha writes, B'Shem HaPoskim, it's not considered a peel, it's just considered a wrap. And a wrap you're allowed to take off even earlier, it's not considered borer. So much so, that Maran Zechon Bracha writes, there's a machloket HaPoskim, am I allowed to use a peeler on Shabbat? You know, a peeler. So he says, for anything with an edible peel, an apple, a cucumber, and things like that, not let's say a kiwi or whatever, over there you can't use a peeler. You would have to use a knife. But for things with an edible peel, it is also mutar to use a peeler, and it's not considered a kli miyuchad livrera. It's not considered a kli that's designated for selection. That would be mutar, but otherwise for things with an inedible peel, like a kiwi and things like that, that's considered, you would have to do it within a half hour of the meal, and you would not be able to use a peeler. Yom Tov.